Be. The verb to be is one of the most important and commonly used verbs in the English language. It serves many purposes and functions in different contexts, such as describing a state, identity, condition, or existence. Key uses of to be. To state that something or someone exists. There is a book on the table. Are there any questions? To describe how someone or something is, temporary or permanent. She is happy today. The room was cold last night. To show what or who someone or something is. I am a teacher. This is my car. Used with a past participle to create passive sentences. The cake was baked by my mother. The window was cleaned by him. To state the location of something or someone, or when something happens. The meeting is at 3 p.m. They are in the kitchen. Used with the present participle, ing form, of a verb to create continuous tenses. I am studying for the test. They were playing soccer when it started raining. Be.